gonna happen today, all right? Let's see. Last week or so, we've been getting heavy downpour. The gods have been upset. They've just been crying, okay? So now, look here. Heavy water flow. We're getting probably about 100 mile an hour water flow speeds coming down. So we're gonna suit up the boys. We're gonna suit up the guests. We get them into this here iguana. We're gonna creep them in real nice and close like, up against the rocks. Gotta be careful because they're sharp and we're an inflatable. Once up on the rocks, they're gonna go through the majestic moss forest, okay? Once they get through the forest, all right, they're gonna pop themselves out right next to the bottom of the waterfall. Now Richard said, if we get down like this, we might be able to get some of that waterfall coming right over us. We're gonna have to get into a prone position, watch that water come on over us, okay? From there, you're just gonna be soaked, you're gonna be cold, but you're gonna be loving life. After good boy Jay gets a nice family photo, we will retreat back to the iguana, back to the safety of Moonstone, and hop in the sauna. Have a good day.